George was really interested in the mechanical industries. What caught his eye was the beginning of a typewriting machine. And he picked up and decided to start the Jewett Typewriter Company. And after a few years of preparing that company, he opened his doors in, I believe it was 1869. And they had 200 employees in downtown Des Moines. 200 employees, a large budget. Bigger yet were the sales offices in Berlin, Paris, and London. And George would travel for the next 20 years himself, going overseas and all around the globe, selling his Jewett typewriter. It's almost hard to believe that this typewriter was as famous as it was, but it ended up being in every civilized country on the globe. He ended up having to sell that company in 1912 to the Underwood Typewriter Company, and it was a sad day for him. He really enjoyed that business and what it did bringing the name of Des Moines to countries all around.